Hi, friend! Today we're learning the letter D. This is D. D has a special sound. D, D, D. D. D, D, D. D. D is for doll. D, D, doll. Can you say doll? D, D, doll. Great job! D is also for dog. D, D, dog. Can you say that with me now? D, D, dog. Great job! Last one. D is also for duck. D, D, duck. You try now. D, D, duck. Great job! I had so much fun learning about the letter D with you today. Thanks for joining me in the Calm Little Corner. I'll see you again next time.